This is Delhi. Please stand by for our next program. This is All India Radio. Welcome tomorrow. All India Radio, in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, presents the science serial Welcome Tomorrow, based on myriad facets of artificial intelligence. Time now to listen to the 10th episode entitled Expert Systems and Artificial Intelligence.
Ritik! Ritik!
Coming, Mom!
Come soon, beta. Your coffee is ready. Here is your coffee.
Mom, it's cold. I'm feeling it, Mom.
Then why not ask your digital assistant about today's temperature?
No. For me, my mom is my God and everything.
Oh, beta. There's no need for buttering, actually. Have your coffee.
Okay. Hello, Alexa. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm getting. Any help that I can do?
Alexa, what is the temperature outside?
The outside temperature is almost touching freezing point and is 2.5 degrees Celsius. The day temperature can touch 18 degrees Celsius. Sky will be clear and morning and evening will be partially foggy.
OMG! Touching zero. Our body's best indicator of the climate condition, I must say.
Ritik, beta, what about your script? Did you get it or not?
Yes, Mama. I'm going to call Satish. I'm sure I'll get it.
Do it fast, beta.
OMG, Satish called. Hello, yeah, Satish. What is the matter? As per yesterday planning, I'm reaching by 8 o'clock. Better we can meet at the college gate?
Yeah. What is about your rehearsal?
No, yaar. My script is not traceable. I left it somewhere. Please, can you help me, please?
Oh, yeah, sure. Have a look in the window of your brain. Yesterday you left it in the college and I forgot to tell you.
Oh my God.
Chill, bro. I'm posting a copy of the same in the group.
Please do fast before breakfast. I want to go through it, please.
Ritik, I can also mail a soft copy on your email ID. Do some reading.
Thanks, Satish. I'm waiting for your mail. Please do it fast.
Hello, Ritik. I've just sent it in the group. Have a look and check it.
Yeah, I'll just do it. Wow, I got it. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much.
Bro, let's have a master stroke in the final. We have to win the show.
Yes, bro, we have to and we will do it. Bye.
Ciao. Okay, bye.
Ritik, did you get your script?
Oh, Mom, I love you, Mom. Your suggestion worked. See, here is copy of my script.
Yes, a perfect use of digital technology.
Yes, Mom. We have explored a fraction of digital technology. In future, it is going to govern our lives and it will be impossible to imagine life without it.
That's why some sociologists call it the age of digital technology.
Mom, do you teach all these in your sociology classes?
You see, we have a basic chapter on it.
You're right, Mom. One of our professors is working on it.
Really?
His research work are cited throughout the world. He's just genius.
Ritik beta, you are doing so much of homework on your presentation and your drama skits.
Yeah.
But you never told me about the theme.
You see, you were talking about artificial intelligence.
Wow, wow, wow. My mom is super. She catch everything from the straws.
Being a social scientist, I can draw conclusion. But sorry to say that I myself am also a duffer in your artificial intelligence.
No, Mom. Mom, our theme goes beyond that. I mean, it's a part of artificial intelligence. But Mom, you are expert of expert.
But don't bluff now. See, you got to be serious. I can read it from your face.
I'm serious, Mom. Your intelligence goes beyond my artificial intelligence.
Okay. Now, no more of bluffing. Tomorrow in the open assembly, I am going to tell my students about this very subject.
Mom, it's all about artificial intelligence. There are many applications of it. Expert system integrate machines, various softwares, and many more.
But expert means something beyond that, my child. You see, it may involve integration of so many things. Am I right?
My mom is always right. She has integrated her family so beautifully.
But beta, over here you have to integrate your time, your rehearsals, and of course communication.
Like an expert guide, it involves gathering of special information to impart reasoning and advising. If one goes beyond that, this system provides explanation and advice to the users.
Absolutely right. I think now it is clear, Ritik. Now, can you cite some examples to clear it?
Yes, Mom. That is why I always say my mom is genius and even supersede my own expert system.
Ritik, you must come to the point. Time is precious and I have to prepare the breakfast too.
Wow, what an integration of time. Mom is like an expert system and software that uses knowledge stored in a system to solve problems.
This means replacement of a social scientist like me by the data stored in a system and analyzed by the software.
Yes, Mom. The expert system can provide explanation and even can advise them how to proceed to solve problem.
But who will put all these data, human beings or machines together?
Mom, the person who puts data in the system is an expert of technology. Ordinary human can't do it. Yes, after feeding all these, the software can be used by ordinary man.
So do you have any specific examples of this expert system that you just cited in your script?
Mom, a social scientist knows how to extract fact.
Yeah.
The most common is mycin, used in treatment of blood infection. Here the system diagnosed the patient based on report system and medical test.
That's interesting. The software performs the role of an expert.
And Mom, you will be surprised to know that the system after analysis and diagnosis can recommend a course of treatment.
OMG! Science and technology have excellent integration.
Dendril is another example used for chemical analysis.
Okay.
Here the expert system use spectrographic data for predicting the molecular structure.
Very interesting, my son. My students will be happy to know all this.
You know, Mom, very soon cancer will be in the list of curable diseases. PXDES is a system that can easily determine the type and the degree of cancer in a patient based on the available data.
Yes, Ritik. Cancer is curable if detected at an early stage.
Oh, Mom, I can cite so many examples. This field is very interesting and I wish to continue my higher studies in AI to serve humanity, Mom.
Oh, my dear son. My good wishes are always with you.
Mom, I wish that you should also attend our college fest.
Me?
Yeah, you will find new things to tell your students.
Okay, my son. But one secret is there.
Secret?
One meeting has been scheduled.
Oh.
And that too with your principal in the morning. I shall also try to spare time to meet your professor. What is his name? Professor Ritesh.
Wow, that is great, Mom. Professor Ritesh is an authority of artificial intelligence.
I'm glad.
He's also a member of the committee constituted by Minister of Human Resources and Department of Science and Technology on Artificial Intelligence.
But how can we use this technology for the benefit of our society, beta?
Mom, Professor Ritesh has also given time to our team so that we can keep the flag of our college high.
Smart team.
Mom, my friend is expected shortly. He's accompanying me. His bike is giving some trouble.
Well, that's good, beta. You see, carpooling or a similar kind of travel is always good for our environment.
Well, I think Satish has arrived. Let me see.
Yeah, go fast.
Hi Ritik.
Hey, Satish.
Good morning. How are you, bro?
I'm good, bro.
Your smile is mirror of your confidence.
Well, friend, this smile is all due to you, I must say. Mom, we are ready. Can you please serve us breakfast?
It is already served on the dining table.
Oh, wow.
Auntie, please don't bother. I have already had some light refreshment.
Don't be much formal, beta. I have already prepared brunch for all of us. Come on now. You must not get late to your college.
Yeah.
You see, I'm already going to the college for a meeting. Before the meeting, I also have a discussion with Professor Ritesh. So why don't you join me in the car?
Great. We can have enough time to discuss our script.
True.
That means to kill two birds with one stone. Aam ke aam, gutliyon ke daam.
That also means to make good use of the time. Like an expert system.
Our knowledge on AI and expert system is very little, but it sounded like a cascading effect.
This is all due to your keen interest, beta, which acts like a catalyst to synergize the results.
We are also of the same view, Mom.
True.
Yes, Auntie. But my question is, how all these happened? Through data mining or beyond that?
Well, Satish, it helped automatically to augment difficult levels.
Here, augmented reality is also equally important.
Moreover, human experts are perishable, but an expert system is permanent.
Wow. I too wish to have blessing of the God to live forever.
Dear, there is no place for emotional feelings in technology.
But is there any harm to desire to live a long life?
Of course not. But not only long life, but healthy and prosperous life is equally important.
Again, one more complex question for my expert system.
Yes, then ask your expert system. I mean your brain to solve complex problems by deducing new facts through the existing information.
Buddy, be serious, huh? Don't take it lightly. We are going for the final battle.
Okay, boys. So we have finally reached the college. You can have your discussion with the professor about this. In meantime, I can inform the principal.
Okay, Mom. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Auntie.
Bye. Take care, beta.
Look there. Arushi is waiting for us.
Hey, Arushi.
Hello, friends. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Arushi.
Where have you been lost? I am waiting for you since last 1 hour.
But why? Why you were waiting for us?
Hello, gentlemen. No more time pass. Look, Professor Ritesh is there. He's waiting for someone. We can have his views on our script.
Oh yeah, come.
Let's go.
Really good suggestion. Arushi always thinks one step ahead.
You know, his guidance and last minute suggestion will be a great help to win the trophy, man.
Oof. See, Professor Ritesh has turned and he's going in the lab. He always says lab is meant to work and not gossip.
That quality makes him different from others, but he is very supportive.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students. Hello, students. How are you? Be relaxed and enjoy your tech fest, huh?
Yes, sir. Sir, but we need a little help of yours.
I'm already here to help you.
Sir, can you spare some time?
We really need your last minute guidance, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
I shall give it to you. Yes. Why not?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, let me know your problem. What can I do? Take your chairs and be seated, huh?
What a beautiful lab.
You like it?
Yes, sir.
But here you will be under tremendous observation of an expert system, huh?
Invisible eyes, sir? We don't understand.
Sir, we would like to know more about it.
Your curiosity says something else, huh?
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now come to the point. What is your problem, huh?
Sir, we are representing our college in the National Tech Fest. The theme of our presentation is Expert System and Artificial Intelligence.
Understand. Roomba can be in your team, huh? He's super smart.
Sir,
Yes?
you remember once you delivered a national lecture on this very subject?
I remember that.
We were highly impressed by your presentation, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. That's good. What about your preparation? I can guess you will do excellent, okay? Let me know. How can I help you?
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, this is our script. We tried our best to put it in a presentable format.
Sir, please have a look on it and would like your comments.
Okay. Interesting story. Well written and very well informed.
Thank you so much, sir. So we have tried to incorporate all those elements that you had explained in your national lecture. It is a team effort, sir.
Great. I'm happy to know this. Content wise, your script is extremely strong. It is always better to communicate science in simple and, of course, in a layman language.
Okay, sir. That we shall do.
Good luck. Good luck. And all the very best, huh?
Thank you, sir, for your encouragement.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Professor Ritesh.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Very fine. You asked me to be here by 11 a.m.
Oh, it is exactly 11 a.m.
Yes.
What a socialization of time by sociologists. Welcome, Mrs. Shamal. Huh?
Thank you, Professor.
Thank you. You might have a knowledge of TechFest, a national event that is going to be happen in this institution.
Professor Ritesh, actually, I'm highly fascinated about this artificial intelligence and the expert system. To have more information, I have a few questions in my mind.
Yes, Mrs. Shamal. This team of young students are presenting their skit on the very same subject. They have designed all facts through their dramatized story. If you get time, try to attend that too.
But Professor, I still have some questions that I would personally like to ask from you.
Please throw your questions. That is my pleasure to answer.
Professor, actually, I am of the view that this artificial intelligence is itself an expert system. Then what is the need to have another expert system within the system?
Good questions. A very interesting question. Only a social scientist can have such queries, huh?
Thanks, Professor. Your supporting words always encourage me.
Thank you. Expert systems are one of the prominent research domains of artificial intelligence. It was first introduced by the researchers at Stanford University, USA. The expert systems are a computer application developed to solve complex problems in a particular domain
Oh,
at the level of extraordinary human intelligence and expertise.
but is it some kind of a software or something?
Well, in an expert system, there is always a software that uses knowledge stored in a knowledge base.
So that means it is a role of a human expert.
The success of any ES depends upon the collection of highly accurate and precise knowledge.
Knowledge?
Yes, knowledge. Data is collection of facts. The information is organized as data and facts about the task domain.
Okay.
Data, information, and past experience combined together are termed as knowledge.
Sir,
Sir?
Yes?
Sorry, sir, to disturb you. I have a question in my mind.
Please ask me, Ritik, your question. Genius. Come on. This platform is equally open for all of you, huh?
Thank you, sir. Sir, what are components of knowledge base in the expert system?
Okay, good question, gentlemen. It stores both factual and heuristic knowledge a factual knowledge is an information widely accepted by the knowledge engineers and scholars. Whereas a heuristic knowledge is all about practice, accurate judgment on one's ability of evaluation and guessing.
That means encroachment on our social aspects by the technology.
Yes, to solve the problems, human experts are required, but here the system preserves human knowledge in its database.
Wonderful.
It is in the form of rule known as if then else rule.
Sir, Ritik always has an if and but.
So, sir, can such a system be helpful to provide explanations to difficult problems?
Yes, yes. Here the scientists have designed intelligent machines to advise users as well as provides explanation.
I agree. Technology is moving so fast, and we social scientists are unaware about it.
Auntie, this is all due to digital gap.
You may be right, Arushi. Here we find a gap of knowledge dispersal.
Yes, sir.
In India, we have not merged science and technology with social science.
True.
But sir, we have good coordination in our play to tell the story of the scientists, technocrats, as well as the social scientists.
You see, the expert system is becoming more popular in the field of medical science.
Up to certain extent, Shamalji, it is true. But in my view, it is becoming popular day by day in every field.
Good.
Pathfinder in medical field is an important tool. It deals with more than 60 diseases and it can recognize over 100 symptoms.
Wow, great.
Sir, this expert system cannot give solution to COVID-19?
That's a very intelligent question and a pertinent question. Scientists are using expert system to find solution and design vaccines for this novel virus.
This will be a gift to humanity.
As technology continues to advance, and this industry will also continue to evolve.
Definitely.
Sir, we are still at the infant stage.
Yes, Professor. Satish and even Ritik. You see, everyone is much keen to pursue their higher studies in AI, that's your artificial intelligence, and the related fields of expert system.
Yes.
Mrs. Shamal, you're absolutely right. Keeping students' interest, institutions are coming forward to start specialized courses also in various fields of artificial intelligence.
Magnificent.
Wow, very interesting and rising field. I shall definitely go for my research in AI and expert system.
You must go ahead with this, Arushi. Mrs. Shamal,
Yes?
your lectures and classes will open this field to our young generation, and I can guess the impact of your lectures also.
But sir, what role the engineers would play in an expert system?
Wow, an intelligent question by a young engineer for her career.
Auntie.
Very correct. A knowledge engineer is a person with the qualities of empathy, quick learning, and case analyzing skills.
Yes.
The system engineer acquires information from the subject expert by recording, interviewing, and observing him at work, okay? He then categorizes and organizes the information in a meaningful way by following rules of if then else to be used by interference machine.
This means it is more than the ES. Yes, my dear engineers, you must have a smile on your faces. You are our future engineers. You will be the architecture of the systems.
Yes, Auntie. Sir, can I take a liberty?
Please.
How have you designed the interesting humanoid Roomba? A great charm for all the students of our college.
Okay, I'll tell you. The process of systems development is integrative. First, you have to identify the problem which is suitable for an expert system. It is designed in a way so that the concept can represent the domain knowledge in the best way.
Oh,
Go for prototype development. Next one has to acquire domain knowledge to represent it in the form of if then else rules. After that, go for test and refine the prototype and finally develop the complete ES.
Professor Ritesh, what are the various fields where it can be put for use?
The applications are very, very wide. The design domain includes camera lens design and automobile design.
Wow.
In medical domain, to deduce cause of disease as well as conduction of operations on humans. Monitoring systems are used for leakage monitoring in long petroleum pipeline,
Very good.
detection of possible fraud, suspicious transactions, stock market trading, airline, and cargo scheduling. A long list you can draw.
OMG! Our engineers and scientists who are designing all these are truly genius, I must say. They deserve applause.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
All these applauses are for our future genius. I mean, for Arushi and Ritik.
Yes, of course.
Very well said. Their benefits are beyond imagination and production cost is reasonable. Very low error rate is compared to human errors. They work steadily without getting emotional, tensed, and fatigued.
Professor, I'm going emotional for our future genius engineers.
Sir, you are a genius.
And we salute you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. My good wishes to your whole team. I'm waiting for the days when you will be here to take this field to new heights, of course, a greater heights.
Your blessings will always work like catalysts to boost their morale, sir. Now we would like to take your permission, Professor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Bye, Professor.
All the very best. Do well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear Roomba.
We
are your great fans.
Welcome tomorrow. You are listening to the 10th episode of the Science Serial produced by All India Radio in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, entitled Expert Systems and Artificial Intelligence. Script Dr. R.S. Yadav, Concept and Coordination Dr. Nakul Parashar and Dr. Birendra Kumar Tyagi. This episode was produced by Pankaj Pati Pathak. Assistance in production Puneet Kumar. The participants were Nikhil Diwan, Ravi Bharadwaj, Divya, Mamta Malkania and Jaideep Singh. Do stay tuned. Here are 2 questions for you. The lucky listeners will get attractive prizes from Vigyan Prasar. The first question is, what is the relationship between machine learning and artificial intelligence? What is the relationship between machine learning and artificial intelligence? And the second question is, how does the expert system work and what are its special features? How does the expert system work and what are its special features? You can send in your answers by simple post to this address. Science Serial, Welcome Tomorrow, Vigyan Prasar, A50, Institutional Area, Sector 62, Noida, 201309. You can also write to us on our email ID radio@vigyanprasar.gov.in. Do write your full name and address along with the answer. And yes, if you send us any question which gets included in our program, you will get a prize from Vigyan Prasar for that too. So do not hesitate to write to us even if it's a simple query. We'll be back again with our next episode of the Science Serial. Welcome tomorrow, same day, same time next week. Till then, goodbye. This broadcast came to you from All India Radio, Delhi.